just came across the street. We're going to this pizza shop right here. Let's see what kind of pizza shop is this.
Restaurant.
MashaAllah, Pizza Mac restaurant. Made this stop to have a bite to eat. I wanted to have some juice. But then I said, you know what? Maybe I'll change the routine and have a nice roast beef. And this is the back right here.
Dishwasher. This dishwasher.
There's the dishwasher right here. He washes the dishes over here. And then we have the fresh fruits and vegetables back here. Look at this, all the fresh fruits and veggies back here. You can wash your hands. You see that? I'm gonna take you back into the kitchen so you can see the kitchen, what we have inside the kitchen. That's your zinger burger. So it's fried chicken fillet. So we got the rice right here. The rice is a huge pot right here. You got enough rice for 20 million people. And then you got right here. Oh, that's roast. That's a pot roast. Wow. And we got fresh right here, fried fingers. This is a burger that my cousin's gonna have. He's going for a burger. Here's the guy in charge right here. How's everything good? Bake fresh pizza. Fresh pizza. Look at that. You can't get any fresher than that. Look at that pizza. Cutting the pizza is axe. Look, this is what I cut coconuts with. But he's cutting pizza with this. You don't need a pizza cutter. Look at how fine he cut this pizza. He said, bring me in it. Right here now, sit down. This guy's like, show, come here, I want to show you over here the real kitchen. This is the chef right here. He's the one that makes everything. Another chef. He's making the sauce, fresh sauce. Chicken breast right there. Chicken bourguignon. Chicken bourguignon, yeah. And this guy's grinding the tomatoes right here. Look at this roast. This operation is run by 25 people. Look at that. Labor is nothing here. You can have labor. The way I design restaurants, I make sure labor is very cut. 5 stations: register, barista, dishwashing, juice, and smoothie. This is the whole operation right here. You can have 7 people in here without one stepping over the other stoves. Cashier, smoothie techs, 2 baristas, dishwasher, and 2 juicers. Excuse me. Salads in the house, full of protein. How do you supercharge? We here supercharge on superfoods. That's right. We charge on superfoods. This is the super greens mixed in: spirulina, chlorella, wheatgrass, and lots of other fresh greens. Look at that. I got my dish ready. I want to feast like a king now. Keto. And that's the stage right there. You can sit up on the stage. Before you start your meal, you hold your hand and you say, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this means may God bless this meal. It transmutes the energy into a beautiful meal. And now I'm going to go ahead and feast like a king